What's up guys, Big Vengeance here. Welcome back to the 30s channel, and today we have some pretty exciting news. We're going to be doing some carbon fiber installation. So let me show you guys what I got. Huge shout out to the boys over at TGWRKZ for producing this piece. Let's get to it. Check it out guys. TGWRKZ made a trunk for the G37. Full carbon. Man, this thing is legit as fuck. Alright guys, so we're going to start by taking out these screws right here. Same on the other side. And once we take those off, the whole trunk will come right off. And then we'll swap the camera over to the new trunk and reinstall it. Very simple to do. Let me try to show you guys the entire process. Shouldn't take long, no more than an hour, and it'll be simple as fuck. So first things first, we want to take off the little shocks that it has. And that's how you take it off. Simple. So on the actual trunk, all we have to take off is the latch, which is that one, and then the camera, which is that one. Just a couple bolts, and they both come off. Fairly simple. So let's do that. So right now, we're just kind of test fitting it and make sure everything's aligned. I'm gonna close it to make sure that everything's aligned before I put on the little shocks and before I tighten all the bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear this up and see if it's all aligned properly. Alright, so let's check that it works. I already checked, all the switches work, so now I have to close it and make sure it opens. It works. Alright guys, so it's pretty simple to install. The only tricky part is installing the camera. You gotta, make sure you align it right. Either way, you're gonna have some space around the camera, so make sure you seal it with silicone and you should be fine. For the most part, I connected everything back, put it back together, and it works. You saw it opens. So now I'm probably going to drill the holes to put the cover on it. It'll be easier if you have somebody help you. But if you don't, it's a little hard, but it's not impossible. You can definitely do it. So let me go ahead and put it back together and I'll show you guys how it looks all closed up and clean and ready to go. Alright guys, check it out. Put the cover on, and man, it looks way better. Cutting away all the cables, all the wiring. And it's not that hard to drill in the holes. I just used the power drill for the drill bit, and I cut through all of it. Looks pretty OEM. Looks way better with the cover. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna wash the car real quick and wash off all that debris that fell off the inside of the trunk, and add the last finishing touch, and then we'll be signing out. So, gonna wash the car real quick. Once again, shout out to TGWRKZ for producing this trunk for the G37. Super aggressive duckbill fitment. What space? What space? Shit. Legit. The best fitment out there. That booty shot. Very nice. I still gotta sand down the silicone and paint it. Have to seal it. But aside from that, it's pretty legitimate. Check it out. I love it. Alright guys, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just showing you guys how to do a trunk install. You know, you can do it by yourself, but you have a second person to help you, it'll be twice as better and twice as fast. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment for any questions you might have, and we'll definitely get back to it. So stay tuned to the next one. Later guys.